welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, today I'm going to do one of my blown flower blooms or my blown flower paint pours. And I am using fluid acrylic paint. I have regular acrylic paint and I have it mixed up with Floetrol. And I'll include the link in the description down below for my paint recipe, but it is basically just 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And sometimes I add water to get it to the right consistency, but usually I don't need any water. Sometimes if I do, maybe a teaspoon or 2, that's about it. Right now I've got white and I'm just getting it down here as my base. I'm spreading it with a palette knife, and then I'm going to do a pink flower bloom. And I use an aquarium tubing, a piece of aquarium tubing, to blow my paint. Here in just a moment I will show you that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a good amount of, I'm shaking up my pink here. I've already got my paint all nice and mixed up in the squeeze bottles. So I'm going to put a darker pink. I'm going to put a little bit of a lighter pink as well. And then just to give it a little bit of fun, some contrast, I'm going to put a little bit of gold in there. All right. Now what I do is I just have a piece of aquarium tubing. And the reason I like to use this is I can kind of direct the flow a little bit better because it is flexible, and because I can reuse it over and over again. And I don't use straws in my home, so I try not to use any straws unless I just happen to have one. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the aquarium tubing just about parallel with the canvas. I'm not going to hold it straight down. I'm going to hold it just about parallel with the canvas while lightly blowing through the other end while I kind of feather it back and forth to create a petal of a flower. All right, here I'll just blow out the first one to show you. All right, mind you, I am blowing very lightly and I am holding my aquarium tubing very parallel with the canvas. All right, now we're going to do the next, and I just work my way around until I have all of the petals of the flower blown out. And in this particular colors, I do not have any silicone. Right, now I am going to tip the canvas just a little bit. You do see a little bit of cells developing, and that is just from Floetrol tends to create a few cells. Now because I have blown a little bit of air in there, I see quite a few air bubbles. I just have a chef's torch or a creme brulee torch, and I got mine off of Amazon. It's a butane torch, a refillable butane torch. So I'm going to give it a little bit of torch, and then I'm going to fix up a couple of areas that I see I would like to move some paint a little bit. So it gets rid of some of these air bubbles. Now you want to hold your torch about 2 or 3 inches above the canvas. You don't want to actually put the flame to the canvas. I have it about 2 or 3 inches. All right, I have an area here I'm not really liking. I just kind of see how much I like it and kind of move the paint around if I want to in that area. tilt it a little bit in this direction. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you down off the tripod and show you a close-up. Please comment down below if you have any questions. And I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.